Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Today I'm going to be installing this Harley Davidson motor collective front axle nut cover. It's supposed to go here and cover this. Let's see how it works. This is the product number. So inside of the box you'll get two of these nuts. Allen key with these two screws, and these two screws fit in one of these holes depending on the bike you have, but basically that's how these look like. Put them on just like this. However you want to orient them, it's up to you, but this one just is snug. And this one is a little bit more loose, so I'm going to use a longer nut on this one. As you can see, one of these nuts is a little bit smaller. So that's basically how it looks like. Ooh. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Shift gears and cheers.